Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode I'm going to guide you through how you can download the Twitter application on your device. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your Play Store for your Android and your App Store for your iOS operating system, and after you're in, type in for Twitter. After you find the Twitter on the search results, simply tap on the install button and wait for it to download on your device, and after it is done, tap open Twitter. That is how you can download the Twitter application on your device pretty quickly and easily. If you don't have a Twitter account yet, start by creating an account by tapping on create an account, and you already have an existing Twitter account, then you can simply tap on the login button existing at the bottom of the screen. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.